Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Costco card to set Autopay step by step clearly. To begin, navigate to the Costco website using your preferred web browser. Once on the home page, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on sign in to open the login interface. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password in the designated fields. If you do not have an account, select Join Costco to create one. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information, including your name, address, and email. After providing your details, create a password that meets Costco's security requirements. Once your account is set up, return to the sign-in page. Log in with your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the account section found in the menu. In the account settings, look for the option labeled Payment Methods. Here, you can add a new payment method if you haven't done so already. Enter your credit or debit card information as required. Make sure to provide the billing address associated with your payment method. After entering all necessary details, look for an option to enable Autopay. Check the box to set up Autopay, and select the frequency of payments. Review the information to ensure accuracy, then click Save or Submit. You will receive a confirmation of your Autopay setup via email. Ensure you keep your payment method updated to avoid any interruptions. You can revisit the account settings anytime to modify your Autopay preferences. That's it, you're all set to enjoy the convenience of Autopay with your Costco membership. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.